Bye, love you.
Okay.
Alis na sila ngayon. Bye na si Danny Boy. It's a chocolate. Hindi siya nag-buy. Bye, babe. Open a restaurant, guys. I'm little. You are little as well, Papa. Who's big? Zach is. And I'm little. Who else are little? You. And how about Little Dan? Oh, you're pretending. Little Dan's big, that's right. How about Kuya TJ? Little big? Is that what she said? She said big. Little big. How about mommy? No water. You're already clean. Nakapag-shower na sila na talaga. I'm waiting to die. Yes. Ah, thanks, John. Hindi niya alam kung saan niya naiwan yung tumbler niya. Hanap ni John. You get one each. But you gotta save it for later. You can't eat it yet. Yan, ready na yung bacon, fried rice, egg is almost there as well. Meron pa tayong bacon dun. Air fryer's the best. See, wala nang talsik-talsik ng mantika galing sa bacon. Ito na. We gotta wait for the egg, okay? Kuya, can you put your jumper on the couch, please? Thank you, Kuya. Let's just wait for the egg. I'll give you guys your plates. What are you doing, Halle? Do you guys want Yakult? Yakult. Yeah, Yakult, Kuya? You can have it with your breakfast. Yeah. Alright, let's go. You hungry too, Dad? Yeah. Diretso si Kuya sa akin. Hey, but no, you almost cold. Yeah. What is that? I got little. Careful, Kuya, it's here.
Can I have the big eggs?
It's all the same.
Are they the same size? If they are, I'm going to try to eat them.
It is the same size.
Don't I? I want white, please.
Yep.
Two.
It is the same size. I'm not sure.
I'll take that big one. This is
This one? This one?
And then that little.
Yep, I'll give you a little egg, Bob.
You get little egg.
Are you little, Baba?
I'm the oldest.
You want with some rice?
No, look at
I know, rice. Okay, I'll put the toys. Thank you. Put it in the Holly's plate. Do you want some bacon, Baba?
Yes, please.
The rest will cut it for you, okay?
With this one.
With that one, okay. Come on. Cut. Is it good? Is that the egg yolk?
I have an egg.
You have an egg.
Little egg.
It's a little egg. Yeah. Let me crack here. Just 1 second. And your chicken. Where does the chicken come from, Zaki? That's right. Sabi ko sa kanila, kapag naubos nila, magkakayakult sila. Si Kuya. That's your mommy vacuuming, Baba. Noisy. That's mommy vacuuming. Si Zach, naubos na talaga yung sa plate niya. Si Holly, malapit na. Si Kuya, that's his second rice. You're getting there, Kuya? I think one last one, Baba, and you're finished. Good job, Holly. One last one. One last. Are you posing for Tita Reyes? Are you posing? Oh my goodness, I can see the Yakult coming. When you finished with that, Yakult will be yours.
Have an egg?
Yay! Kuya's finished. Have that last one. This one, Bob.
Rita, you didn't finish the whole pack. No, I
You gotta shake it, Kuya, okay?
It just died.
Good job, Ollie. Oh, tinutulungan ni Zach si Ollie. Finished! Yay! Thanks, Zaki. Kagabi din tinulungan niya si Holly kasi hindi sila makaka-chocolate kung walang kung may laman pa yung plato. Tinulungan ni Zach si Holly kagabi. I'm gonna shake it for you, Bob, okay? Shake, 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 shake. Naunahan ni Kuya. Alis na sila. Si Zach patuloy na utusan. Dalhin yan, mabigat. Here. Hello, mag-ano ka muna ng tea. Baka may iniwan dun.
Wala.
Dala na ni Jan. Tinanong niya sa akin, sabi niya, Riz, what's this? Is this something important? Sabi ko, uy, that's Jonas tea. Alis na sila, guys. Mag-isa na naman ako dito sa bahay. Si Dan kanina pa umalis.
Isa na naman siya. Wala nang 7 days? 6 days? 7 days.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
7 days and
Okay.
6 nights.
7
nights?
6 nights.
7 days.
6 nights, 7 days, oo. Kaya na talaga.
Kami na talaga ang
Siya na talaga din ang nag-vacuum. Kanina pa siya nag-vacuum. Okay ka na? Uy, jumper ni ano.
Ako.
Ito.
Okay na. Bye-bye muna ako dito sila. Bye. Thank you so much. I'll see you in 3 weeks.
Oo nga.
Alis
Baka
kami,
may
guys.
member.
Mag-member kami.
Kami na talaga. Baka may naiwan ka dito, ha? Okay lang, magkikita pa naman tayo. Siya na talaga ang inano ang mga... Tingnan mo yan siya. Lalabhan ko din naman yun.
Kaya nandiyan na siya sa ano. Yung mga towels nandiyan.
Hindi na ako maglilinis kasi siya na ang nag-vacuum. Siya na talaga.
Nandiyan na.
Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang gawain ko ngayon mamaya. Papakita ko sa inyo, masyusyokre sa aking gawain.
Marami siyang labahin, balabundukin.
As in, grabe.
Balabundukin ang labahin.
Grabe. Baba, will you miss Tita Rice? How about Tito Dan?
Ako, Tito Dan.
Will you miss Tito Dan?
Pag nasa bahay, sabi niya, ihag niya si Tito Dan like this. Pag nandito na,
Kaya nga eh. Nahihiya siya.
oh, what's that? Socks, Baba.
They're holy.
Oh, put it here, Baba.
Put it in the bag. Guys, almost finished. 78%. Ito yung video na kailangan ma-upload tonight. Kasi wala talaga ako mga extra videos ngayon. So, 79% na. As soon as ma-save yan, i-upload natin yan. Sana umabot. It's only 11:56 in the morning. So, I think aabot naman siya. We'll see. Nyari sa mukha mo, te. Nyari, John. Hintayin ko lang to, upload natin, and then we will take care of our labahin. Wala nang susuotin si Dan na work shirt bukas kasi hindi natin nalabahan lahat. Hindi kasi ako makapag-laundry kasi may mga bisita tayo. Pero abot pa naman. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Grabe, ang dami. First time mababot sa ganito. As in, kailangan talaga namin siya ilagay dyan kasi wala na, hindi na magkasya sa hamper. Kami na talaga. So, we will do laundry. Buti na lang gusto ko mag-laundry. Kasi kung hindi, siguro nakakapagod to. Pero I love doing laundry. And I can't wait na ma-dry na siya para ma-fold natin siya kasi masaya to i-fold na ganito karami. Tapos may mga towels pa tayo, maraming towels. Galing dun sa guest bathroom at saka sa bathroom namin kailangan palitan ng towels at saka yung mga hindi ko to matatapos ngayon. Kasi hindi din to magkakasya sa sampayan. Yung gagawin natin ngayon is yung mga importante lang, yung mga work shirts ni Dan. Kasi wala na siyang susuotin bukas. Yun yung uunahin natin para yun yung pinakaunang madry. And yes, let's do this! Nakaligo na ako, guys. Naglagay ako ng Mario Badescu na drying lotion. Marami pala nagtatanong anong drying lotion gamit ko. From Mario Badescu, yung parang maliit na bote. Tapos may pink siya. Yun yung gamit ko. Naglagay lang ako dito kasi may konting bump. At saka ito yung lumang pimple na pawala na actually siya. Ito wala na talaga siya. Pero nilagay ko lang kasi ayokong sayangin. Parang tanga. Kain tayo ng lunch! Bakit yung boses ko medyo nag-iiba? Alam nyo ba, nilabas ko to kanina, nakalimutan ko, nilagay ko siya sa microwave kasi gusto ko i-breakfast sana namin ni Manay. Leftover to kahapon, yung chop suey. Nakalimutan ko, nandun lang siya sa loob ng microwave. Sabi ko, asan yung yung chop suey? Pag open ko sa microwave, nandun lang siya. Hindi ko inon yung microwave, nakalimutan ko na siya totally. And meron akong half ng egg. Ano muna tayo ngayon? Leftover muna tayo ngayon kasi ang dami kong kailangan gawin. Mag-edit ako ng videos. Nakapag-edit na ako ng isa. It's uploading right now. 32% na yung upload natin. That needs to be up to 9. Tapos meron na din tayong isang load ng laundry. I think I will do like, depende. Kasi kung iisipin talaga makakalimang load siguro ako. Pero ano kasi, hindi magkakasya sa sampayan. So, bukas na siguro yung iba kapag dry na yung iba. Kain muna tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Nakasampay na ako ng isang load, guys. Second load is in. I'm editing my second video of the day. I'm just eating this. Iniwan to sa akin ni Manay. Bumili siya ng marami nito, diba? Nung nagpunta tayo ng Daiso. And tinikman namin siya nung... Was it the same night? Yeah, the same night. And masarap talaga siya. Ito siya, oh. Masarap talaga siya. Kaya lang nakaka-addict. Nag-iwan siya ng isa. Kasi yung isang kinain namin nung nandito si Kat, naubos talaga siya na isang upuan lang. Sabi ko, nakaka-addict to. Yung ginawa ko is yung maliit na, ito, lalagyan na muna. Kasi kapag nilagay ko yun sa malaking lalagyan, uubusin ko yan talaga. Feeling ko nga, mauubos ko to. Mag-i-edit lang ako ng video. Malapit na tumatapos yung pangalang video na in-edit ko ngayon. And we will have, Korean barbecue tonight. Kasi meron kaming mga leftover, guys. Nung Korean barbecue kami. So, nilagay ko sa Ziploc. Ito kasi, natimplahan na eh. So, nilagay ko sa Ziploc, tapos freeze ko. And ngayon, pinapaano ko lang siya. Pinapato. Yun yung pork. Ito yung beef. So, yan yung ulam natin tonight. Buti na lang naisip yan ni Dan. Kasi sabi ko, hala, wala kaming ulam tonight. Nag-text si Dan, sabi niya, Korean barbecue? Sabi ko, oh, yes. Buti na lang naalala niya yun. Okay. Edit lang ako, guys. Makakadalawa siguro ako ngayon kasi 4 na ng hapon. Ito pa yung pangalawang video na edit ko. Medyo mahaba-haba kasi yung mga video. Ito na yung second load natin, guys. Kakatapos lang niya. And marami pa tayong natira dyan. Tapos marami pang mga towels. And then nandun pa yung mga blanket na kailangan din natin i-laundry. Hindi ko matatapos lahat to kasi hindi magkakasya sa sampayan.
I'm doing barbecue, Korean barbecue, drinking orange juice, and eating rice. That's what we're doing. And watching TV, watching cricket.
Naghihintay ako sa rice, guys, na maluto. Magko-Korean barbecue kami. Ayun, nandun na. Uy, guys, itong flowers na to ba? In fairness, magto 2 weeks na to bukas. Okay na, okay pa. Oh, daisy to, di ba, babe?
Huh?
These are daisies? Huh? As in, it looks really good.
Can I pull out your charger to put it?
Yeah, sure.
This is Daniel's cooking show. So we've got mate. What's this like? Beef?
Yeah, that looks beef.
Already marinated. Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, it's
And we've
bulgogi.
got- That is. What is it?
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 What is it, babe?
Bulgogi.
What?
I don't know. What is it, babe?
Say that again. What did you say?
Bulgogi. What is it?
That's right.
Is it bulgogi?
No, yeah, you got it right.
And what's this, pork?
Yeah.
Pork.
The pork has galbi sauce. The beef has bulgogi sauce.
Bulgogi.
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 And then ito.
Are we using like chopsticks again, like you were saying?
Yeah. Do you want to choose chips?
Because I got forks out there. We'll keep the forks there.
Yeah, we can keep the fork.
Just want to break this up a bit.
Ito guys, naiwan to ni Manay. So, kakainin natin to. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan to ni Dan. Ito, masarap to. Anong tawag dito? Roasted. Squid pala talaga siya. Roasted squid. And then this one, ito yung anchovies. Roasted anchovy with chili paste. Ito. This is seaweed salad. What do you think?
Weird.
Weird? Yeah, Manay was right. We were like thinking, what the heck is this? And it's squid. She's right.
Didn't you
And then
already-
kimchi. Manay got this from the Family Mart, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Spicy?
Yeah.
Kakasalang ko lang ng rice. Oh, basa pa. Did you really have to drag it? This is gonna be Monday. Was it Monday that we had this?
Yeah, Monday, because Tuesday we went to the Archer.
Yep.
Wednesday we had family dinner.
Yep, that's right.
Nice.
Monday.
It was good.
The what?
This Monday.
Yeah. Oh yeah, hindi pala talaga nakakain sila na tumikim lang siya pero hindi siya na ganito kasi what did you have?
What did I have? I went to steak with this prawn. That was good.
Yeah,
that was a good dinner as well.
Yeah.
Very good dinner. That's like a favourite Australian dinner.
The steak
The
with
steak with prawns, yeah. It's like a,
Oh really?
yeah, more like when you go to a pub, serve and turf. It's like it's a nice,
Okay.
not something you really have at home, but it's like a bit of a special dinner, but it's a good dinner.
Hindi ito kakain ng kimchi kasi yung kimchi ang anghang. You're not gonna eat kimchi, are you?
Oh, okay. Why would I eat it?
It's really spicy.
Is it?
Yep.
What we got?
Sabi ko sa'yo told ya.
Rice is ready.
Is it?
Then we bring it over. You like this?
It's alright.
What does it taste like?
Seaweed.
I don't mind that.
You don't mind that?
No, I don't mind that at all.
I'm gonna eat that. This one's squid. Sabi niya it's weird daw, this one. I like this one actually.
You do?
This is good, yeah. See? It's turning itself off again.
So it goes on off on off.
Oh yeah. I think it does it so it doesn't burn.
Okay.
Yum.
Huh. You should have done a Q&A.
For us?
Yeah. Oh well.
I can do it next time.
I like the Q&As.
You do? Okay. We will do a Q&A next time, so leave your questions below.
What are you gonna mukbang?
With hashtag AskDan.
And raise.
Sige ha, leave your questions below guys ha with the hashtag AskDan and then we will answer it on our next mukbang. Deal malap?
Yeah.
There you go. Gusto niya, he likes, what kind of questions do you like getting?
I like all questions.
No, you don't like all the questions.
No love questions.
Ayun na yung mga cheesy questions na about us.
Yeah, like
But he likes getting like, maybe love advice.
love advice. I have an opinion. I always have an opinion.
He does.
And it's always wrong.
No. Sige, sige, sige. Magmukbang tayo sa susunod ha. Q&A tayo. Let's do that, babe.
Yep.
Mga love advice. Ito, may advice to. What other advice do you wanna...
No,
do you want them?
Questions about anything.
Uy.
And-
About anything talaga? Sige. Push mo yan.
About anything what?
Yeah. I'm good. I said push mo yan.
What does that mean?
Just push it.
Just push it.
Tagalog. English yung push mo yan. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it.
Do you like this really cooked beef, babe?
Huh?
How do you like your beef? Really cooked?
Yeah. But don't mind me. I'm fine. I can just eat my pork.
Do you like the pork better than the beef?
I like them both. Masarap yung galbi marinade sa ano ha, sa pork ha, in fairness. Masarap yun. Ano eh ito? Ah.
Good?
Yum. Yeah.
Really good.
Is that karaoke place, was that big enough for everyone? Like say we went there with everyone?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's massive.
Nah, we should do that one day with everyone.
Karaoke?
Yeah, we should do a night out.
Okay.
Can you bring kids there or not really?
I think you can. It's just a room. But I don't think the kids will like it.
Why
It's
not?
pretty nice.
Christmas in the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking forward to going up to the mountain.
Lola's house?
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
And do the cockfighting with Poppy.
Mm-hmm. Hello guys! Katapos ko lang mag-skincare. I'm gonna put on a mask and this is quite interesting. Look at this. It says Samsung right there. It's Jeju Farm Royal Jelly Mask. I think bigay to sa akin. Yeah, feeling ko bigay to sa akin. Maybe from Jen Ramen. I'm not 100% sure. Pero I don't remember buying this. So bigay to for sure. Thank you so much. Kung nagkamali man ako, pasensya na po. Pero I'm sure bigay ito sa akin. I'm just not sure kung sino. But thank you very much. Ang lamig ngayon. As in, ang lamig. After ko mag-mask, kasi itong mask, 15-20 minutes ko lang siya pinapaano sa mukha ko eh. After ko mag-mask, lalagay ako ng Mario Badescu na dry. Oh, ang lamig. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, lamig-lamig talaga. Ito yung parusa talaga sa winter. Yung, ang lamig-lamig na nga, maglalapat ka pa ng sobrang lamig sa mukha mo. O, diba? Hindi ako na talaga. And marami pa siyang natirang mga essence. So, oh my God, ang lamig nito. Ilalagay natin siya sa ating legs at saka sa ating arms. Dami, oh! Sumaya, kapag natanggal na natin tong ating, mask, maglalagay tayo nito Mario Badescu na drying lotion. So, yun yung itsura niya. Sa lahat na nagtatanong, ito po, yung nakikita nyo, medyo pinkish na parang white na dot sa mukha ko. Uy, guys, yan talaga, effective talaga yan. Basta, huwag mo lang ilagay siya na malaki na yung pimple. Kasi kapag malaki na yung pimple, obviously, hindi mo na siya maaawat. Kailangan mo lang maging observant. Charot. Na i-observe mo, oh hala, meron akong maliit na dot, papuntang pimple na ata to. So habang maliit pa siya, lagyan mo siya ng Mario Badescu. Tapos hindi na siya lalaki. Sa experience ko lang ha. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Pero meron kasing ibang pimple na parang madaling araw sila tumutubo na sobrang liit. Tapos pagising mo sa umaga, nandun na ang laki na. May mga ganyan din ng mga pimple eh. Yung mga hindi nasang pimple. So, hindi naman talaga maiiwasan. Pero as much as possible, kung nakita nyo na may dot, dun, lagyan nyo agad ng Mario Badescu. And for me, it works. It works real good. Anyway, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Please like this video kung nag-enjoy kayo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully bukas. Good night, guys. Bye. Mwah.